everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review Bewview.com. So if you are curious to know about this unbiased review, watch the video till the end. You will get the information regarding this web portal. It is an e-commerce site that deals in various fitness related products like stationary bikes, dumbbells, treadmills, and home gyms. It's one of many websites available with deals in such products. All products available on the website look great with the excellent build quality, and a description of every product is also available, and the prices are also mentioned with the products, and that seems cheap, and which makes the website suspicious. But we could not rely on only this point. We are going to check out the details. It was registered on 7th April 2021. Like, it is 116 days old website. As far as their email address is concerned, that is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, they have not mentioned any contact details and physical address for this business. So the positive point of Bewview.com are it has a valid SSL certificate. They have offer you return and exchange, and it has a good quality products available at cheap prices. The cons are negative points will contain the information related to this reviews, and it has a short age, like it just 116 days old, and we could not find custom reviews not on the web portal or any other in social media platform. So we can say that as far as our research is concerned, we find that this is not a website that is trustworthy. Either it is a website that is scam. It does not look legit. So in our opinion, we can say that you must not buy anything from this store, or you must wait for some time to have some genuine reviews, and do your own research and find out genuine reviews before purchasing anything from this store. So by then you may have a better shopping decision for yourself, and if it's a scam, so you may not lose your money. And if anyone of you have any experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience with us. We love to hear from you, and your experience will help the other to decide about their experience and about their decision for shopping from this store.